Hmm. Where is DPH?
First one.
Zip node
Chairman.
1. No, I want to search from here because it's not there. I'm not able to
Okay.
see. So how to search? How to search? What tag number?
Is it there? Dom, is it in our list that we have provided or what?
Yes, in
Yeah.
our list.
There, right?
Where you find, Mr. Chairman, where
Okay.
you find it's in the first one. You search DPAH.
DPH.
DPAH. Yes, DPAH.
That,
When you're searching DPH, it is going for all this thing. It is not.
Yes, the first one. You can
no,
click
no,
the
no,
first
just,
one. You can find
This
one.
one?
Yeah, first
just
one.
click
First one.
that,
Yes, the first one. Yeah.
Okay.
click that filter. Filter it.
This is the one. Yeah.
Not in this.
Why it is not showing? Why it is not coming?
Maybe it's filtered.
No, I've
Remove
removed
the
the filter.
filter.
I removed the filter.
Yes, remove the filter, please.
Data. Okay.
Mr. Chairman, I think you filtered in the last column. That,
No, I removed.
that's identical.
I removed the filter
Ah.
from here. I
Okay.
removed all.
I think it's in the row number
Now you're
39.
searching.
See, row number 39, the cell value is given, right? Could you please go to the row 39?
39.
Yeah.
Please scroll down.
Lucky. Scroll down.
I am scrolling down, but my screen is not going up and down. If you see. Okay, let me close.
Yeah,
It.
it's stuck.
Yeah, let me close it and
Stop.
again